Hello, everybody. Let me share few thoughts and few moments with you so far as the year 2020 goes, and what are our plans for the coming calendar year. All of you are very well aware that the year 2020 was extremely full of challenges. This year, from nearly March onwards till this date, has been totally wiped out so far as the conventional modes of learning were concerned. We also, in our training institute, we had to close for in-campus classes from say around March onwards, and we resumed our services here in offline mode in the month of I think late September or first week of October. This challenging year because of the pandemic has been very painful, and in my opinion, there cannot be any family which is not directly or indirectly impacted because of this COVID 19 pandemic, whether due to health reasons or due to financial reasons or due to any other reasons. Anyway, let us now think of the coming year ahead. I sincerely hope and wish that the coming year ahead is free from this pandemic scare, free from disease, and is as normal as any other years used to be earlier. Because if we all see that probably we have been totally fatigued, entire generation, entire mankind has been totally fatigued because of this particular scare in our mind. Now what we noticed is that once we resumed our in-campus classes from or the projects from 23rd September onwards, we found a renewed liking and renewed kind of choices for more and more IT courses. The new courses which came in demand now are the very high-end courses where many professionals and students are now demanding for data sciences. They are demanding for coding in the higher languages of JavaScript, Pythons, Django, Kiwi, R language, machine learning, artificial intelligence, app development. Then there is a huge demand for digital marketing, huge demand for graphics and animation in web designing. So what I want to say is that once we resumed our services in the month of September 20 onwards till date, till say 31st, we found that the demand and increase for the higher end courses in the field of IT has further increased. This is a good sign so far as learning is concerned. However, the institutions which are having better infrastructure like our institute are in a better position to do this to provide these services, because otherwise safety and security cannot be compromised. Now we have got certain different plans for the coming year. We now think that due to economic distress and otherwise, we are now planning that all those students who are very good and all those professionals who come for training with us and are very good in their project and assignments, and on the recommendation of their subject matter experts and faculty members, we will like to absorb them as interns in our UpTalent platform for global services, which is our IT company. And for that IT company, the basically the skilled manpower is going to be a part of our ecosystem. Second requirement or second plan is that we are now also launching a platform by the name DigiLearn, DGLEARN, DigiLearn. Now DigiLearn means that you can learn any high-end kind of a course or certification. You can obtain a certification even while you are at any place, whether you are traveling, whether you are at your convenience. So this will be DigiLearn will provide the short-term courses which will be on hourly basis, say 20 hours courses, 50-hour courses, even 10-hour courses to some extent, where specific requirement and customized requirement of the professionals and students will be addressed. The one who takes admission or registration in our DigiLearn platform will be allocated the login credentials, and then he will have an access to that kind of a course content which can be finished or which is sufficient for him to complete, let's say in 10 hours or 20 hours or 50 hours, depending upon the complexity. Also, we are in touch with certain reputed universities and professional colleges that for their professional degrees like MCAs, say BCA, or even to some extent the BTech, one of the semester we are going to sponsor in the sense that that semester entirely the students will be doing with us under the guidance of our subject matter experts, and they will be completing a complete project of their choice in the areas of IT, high-end coding, web designing, graphics, anything under the sky so far as IT is concerned. And those students of these universities or colleges will spend one semester with us, or our experts can also visit their campuses, and that particular semester or that particular trimester will be completely acknowledged by that particular university as a part of their studies. This means that whenever those students are coming out of their the moment they are obtaining their degree, they will have the skill enhancement training of 6 months or 3 months in their hands, along with the completion of their academic degree as far as AICT or UGC norms are concerned. So these top three initiatives, number one, internship in UpTalent platform, so that they are in a position to get back at least the kind of fees they spend for their skill enhancement. DigiLearn platform, where wherever you are on online basis, you are in a position, somebody is in a position to learn the subject of or the course or the content of his choice, of a very shorter duration. And third, one trimester or a semester being entirely sponsored by us in our campus, whereby once the academic degree is complete, then they have got the training also or the project also done in the real environment. With this, I will once again like to say goodbye to the year 2020, and so far as year 2021 is concerned, it should be treated like we have won over year 2020. So 2021 should, in my all earnestness, I like to pray to God and Almighty that this year comes out to be free of this pandemic, free of this disease, and all should enjoy the being healthy and prosperity, happiness, and it should bring in the kind of cheers which we have been missing in this particular year of 2020. Thank you once again and Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2021 to all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.